The purchase order function is only available on QuickBooks Online Plus, and here's how we can enable this feature. Click on the gear icon at the top right and select Account and Settings. Look under the Expenses tab. Tick Use Purchase Orders. You can also tick the other empty text fields and add a header if you wish to add more information on your purchase order. Tick Custom Transaction Numbers to enter your own reference numbers and enter any default messages here if you like. Click Save. To create a purchase order, click on the Create button at the top right, select Purchase Order. At the top left, enter the name of the supplier you wish to place the order with. Enter the details of the items you wish to order, and then save it. If required, click on Print at the bottom to print it out. To edit a purchase order, we can go to the Expense tab on the left. Click on any purchase order you wish to edit to open it up. Make the necessary changes, and then click Save. To delete, click on More at the bottom and select Delete. Thank you for your time for watching this quick presentation video. We hope that you found it useful.